Hello, my name is Shweta. I am the creator of Masala and Chai. Today I will be making dosa waffles with the Oster waffle maker. These waffles are perfect for any family brunch. So to make the batter, we're going to use a dosa batter mix. You're just going to pour it into your bowl and you're going to slowly add water until you're looking for a pancake consistency. So give that a little mix to start out with. It'll be clumpy. Keep adding more water. Okay, so now we are going to chop some veggies using the Oster blender. We have some red onions and a chili, a tomato, and these are curry leaves, salt, pepper, and some cilantro. So you could just add all of these to the blender, and then I'm gonna hit the salsa button. So now I'm going to pour in the chopped veggies. I'm just gonna give this a little mix. Add the pepper, salt, cilantro, and with the curry leaves, I'm actually just gonna rip these up by hand into smaller pieces. I'm gonna mix that up. So I'm gonna grab the Oster waffle maker. We're gonna keep the setting on a medium to maximum heat. And as it preheats, I'm gonna brush some oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and ladle some of the batter right into the center. Right? We're gonna spread this all to the sides and make sure that's completely full. Now we're gonna close that. So you'll know that the waffle maker is ready once this light here is a bright green. You could go ahead and flip it. So the light has turned off here, so that means the waffle is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this. Open it. Go ahead and remove it carefully and give it a flip on this cooling rack. And there you go, your dosa waffle. We have some radish, some coconut chutney, avocado, and some cilantro. The radishes are just for a little side snack. I'm gonna go ahead and add some avocados. I'm going to add a dollop of coconut chutney, some cilantro, and a little curry leaf. And there you go.